No relief for band students at Kaiser High School. We first told you about the problem with the building's air conditioning unit 2 weeks ago. The Department of Education originally told us a part to fix the AC was about to be shipped. But today we learned it will now take at least 2 more weeks before the air conditioner will be fixed. Manolo Morales got some answers on the cause of the delay. Manolo?
Joe, a spokesman for the DOE tells me the air conditioner is just so old that the manufacturer does not have the part called a condenser coil in its warehouse. So the company still has to build it and then ship it over.
It's been nearly 3 weeks now that the air conditioner has been broken in the Music and Arts building. Since we reported the problem, the school has gotten some help. Long's Drugs provided 20 fans, but school officials tell us it's still so hot that the teacher has to give students a break and walk out of the classroom every 20 minutes.
It's not good. It's very frustrating, I think, for the students and Mr. Bataluna. There have been days when they just weren't really able to do much because it's so hot, even with fans.
And at times, like today, students can't finish the school day. One of them was sent home.
Is that heat-related or?
I believe so, yeah, heat-related. She's gonna go home. Maybe she might see a doctor later today, too. So we're gonna go take a look at her and have everything checked up.
Homecoming is this weekend, so the parents tell me the students have been practicing even more. The only bright spot in that is that they can do some of it outside after school.
While the heat doesn't seem to have taken anything out of their performances during game day, parents tell us being in the sweltering classroom is definitely wearing the students down.
It's sad, and it's not good for the instruments. And, you know, band is her favorite subject, and she just comes home exhausted and frustrated. And I think they all are at this point.
I just hope that, you know, it gets better, the situation gets better, and, you know, something is done about it.
A spokesman for DOE tells me that the plan is to install the part on September 25th. We will let you know when and if that does happen. No word yet on the cost or if it's better to just replace the whole air conditioner. Manolo Morales, KHON 2 News.